Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Dukascopy Bank Review My Usage Experience. Dukascopy Bank Review My Usage Experience offers an in-depth look at the services and trading platform offered by Dukascopy Bank. It's aimed at potential and current clients of the bank, as well as anyone interested in Forex and CFD trading. Key features likely include reviews of the trading platform's functionalities, analyses of fees and commissions, and evaluations of the bank's customer support. Their website provides details on account types and trading options. Their website highlights competitive pricing, a focus on low-latency trading, and a wide range of trading instruments. They emphasize transparency, though specific details about pricing vary depending on the chosen account type. The platform utilizes advanced technology for execution speed. Availability is global, though access to specific services may depend on location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Dukascopy Bank Review My Usage Experience. I was researching online brokers for Forex trading and stumbled upon several independent reviews of Dukascopy Bank. Getting started was straightforward. I simply accessed their website and navigated to the client area to find information about accounts and trading conditions. The interface was initially a bit daunting due to the sheer number of features available, but after a couple of hours exploring the platform, I started to feel comfortable. I particularly appreciated the advanced charting tools and the comprehensive historical data readily available. The performance was excellent, order execution was fast and reliable, even during periods of high market volatility. I had a quick question about margin calls and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A pro was definitely the advanced charting tools and the wide range of order types available. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for new users. The abundance of features can be overwhelming at first. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information I found through various reviews, though using the actual platform is a very different experience. It certainly gave me a solid understanding of what Dukascopy Bank offers. That's my overview of Dukascopy Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.